Hello.
Everyone, welcome back to English UN. Today, let's learn important English verb forms with easy meanings. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Use, used, used. To employ or utilize something. Peel, peeled, peeled. To remove the skin from fruits or vegetables. Abuse, abused, abused. To treat badly or use insults. Chat, chatted, chatted. To talk in a friendly way. Write, wrote, written. To mark words on paper. Speak, spoke, spoken. To talk or use your voice. Hear, heard, heard. To listen or perceive sound. Slap, slapped, slapped. To hit with an open hand. Punch, punched, punched. To hit with a closed fist. Kick, kicked, kicked. To hit with the foot. Earn, and, earned. To receive money for work. Wish, wished, wished. To want something to happen. Promise, promised, promised. To say you will definitely do something. Keep, kept, kept. To have or hold something. Send, sent, sent. To cause something to go somewhere. Smell, smelled, smelled. To perceive an odor. Sell, sold, sold. To give something for money. Buy, bought, bought. To get something by paying money. Bring, brought, brought. To take someone or something along. Kill, killed, killed. To cause death. Help, helped, helped. To assist someone. Touch, touched, touched. To put your hand on something. Save, saved, saved. To rescue or keep safe. Spill, spilled, spilled. To flow over the edge of a container. Push, pushed, pushed. To move something away by force. Pull, pulled, pulled. To move something toward you. Laugh, laughed, laughed. To make sounds of happiness. Cry, cried, cried. To shed tears. Weep, wept, wept. To weep deeply. Bite, bit, bitten. To use teeth to cut into something. Throw, threw, thrown. To propel something through the air. Put, put, put. To place something in a position. Teach, taught, taught. To give lessons or instruction. Learn, learned, learned. To gain knowledge or skill. Avoid, avoided, avoided. To stay away from something. Deserve, deserved, deserved. To be worthy of something.
Refuse, refused, refused. To say no to something. Involve, involved, involved. To include as a part. Talk, talked, talked. To speak or have a conversation. Feel, felt, felt. To experience an emotion or touch. Get, got, gotten. To receive or obtain. Do, did, done. To perform an action. Find, found, found. To discover something. Lose, lost, lost. To no longer have something. Search, searched, searched. To look for something. Control, controlled, controlled. to have power over something. Mean, meant, meant, to intend or signify. Make, made, made, to create or produce. Advise, advised, advised, to give suggestions or recommendations. Complete, completed, completed, to finish something. Finish, finished, finished, to end an activity. Feed, fed, fed, to give food to. Ask, asked, asked, to request information. Pour, poured, poured, to flow in a steady stream. Empty, emptied, emptied, to remove all contents. Escape, escaped, escaped, to get free from something. Arrive, arrived, arrived, to reach a destination. Forget, forgot, forgotten, to fail to remember. Remember, remembered, remembered, to bring back to mind. Annoy, annoyed, annoyed, to irritate or bother. Comb, combed, combed, to untangle hair. Announce, announced, announced, to make a public statement. Purchase, purchased, purchased, to buy. Fly, flew, flown, to move through the air. Offer, offered, offered, to present for acceptance. Give, gave, given, to hand over to someone. Carry, carried, carried, to move something while holding it. Fill, filled, filled, to make something full. Catch, caught, caught, to seize or capture. Drop, dropped, dropped, to let
Thanks for watching.
something
Don't
fall.
forget to like this video, comment your favorite verb, and subscribe and hit the bell to watch the next lesson. Keep practicing and see you soon.